The way you use chopsticks is really strange.
It's a way I've been doing it for 21 years.
For a Japanese person, your way is long. Hey, we will teach you how to use chopsticks properly.
Oh, okay. Please help me.
You can stuff food, grab food, cut food, and mix food with chopsticks. The knife and the fork are nearly as useful.
These straight sticks are chopsticks.
We use two of them with one hand.
There are chopsticks made of various materials, including traditional ones made of bamboo, ones made of brightly colored plastic, and high-quality ones made from animal bones.
Above all, these are wooden disposable chopsticks called waribashi that we get for free at most restaurants.
When we use waribashi, we break them apart. The basic technique for breaking them is like this.
With a narrow part of chopsticks pointing down, place both of your hands about 3/5 of the way from the top. Using your fingertips, strongly pull to the left and the right.
Be sure to apply equal power to both of your hands. If you apply too much power to one's hand, you can break the chopsticks evenly. Also, when you break the waribashi, keep your arm close by your side. If you spread your arms widely, you might have an accident.
Could you break them all right? Everyone is a beginner at first. Just don't give up and do your best.
Next, here's the way the experts break them. 仕事人 the worker. おかまわり the cross-dresser break. 空手 karate style. ダイナマイト the dynamite way. 共割り the double split.
Next, how to hold them.
This grip is called the regular.
This is easy once you get used to it. But if holding both chopsticks in one hand is difficult for you, it's alright to use them like a knife and fork. We call it kokusai style, international style.
If you want to impress people with your manliness, you can enjoy being like a Japanese man with this style. Fuji-san, Mount Fuji.
If you want the luxurious feeling, try not breaking them. It's the daimyo, a Japanese feudal road.
The phoenix is extremely dynamic.
Well, what do you think? The Japanese tend to have a good feeling toward Westerners who can use chopsticks.
Learn to use them well, and you can surprise Japanese people.